nights, this episode is going to be extra special because we're going to have two combined. Enjoy.
Welcome back to another episode of PNN. I'm Claire.
And I'm Cece.
Dia de los Muertos was really fun.
I know, it was so amazing.
I'm also really excited for the winter sports season.
Same here. Let's talk to the coaches about it.
Now to Ashima and Cece.
1.
I'm ready.
What's your name?
I'm ready to do this interview for the first time. I'm Coach Josh.
How long you been coaching at Paragon?
About 10 years, I think. I think this is my 10th year.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
What sports do you coach at Paragon?
I coach flag football and basketball and tennis right now.
Hello, what is your name?
You already know my name.
Coach Rachel!
Okay, how many years have you been coaching at Paragon?
I started in August 2021.
And what sports do you coach?
Lots of them. I have coached almost all of them, but right now I do basketball, ultimate, soccer, and golf.
And what's your favorite sport?
Got any guesses?
Track and field.
Ultimate!
What's your name?
Coach Jackie.
How long have you been coaching at Paragon?
This is my 11th year coaching at Paragon.
And what sports do you coach?
I coach volleyball, basketball, cross country, and track and field.
What's your favorite sport?
It's a tie between rugby and basketball.
What's your name?
My name's Coach Jacob.
How many years have you been teaching?
My first year was in 1975.
What's your favorite sport?
Soccer is my favorite sport.
What sports do you teach?
Also soccer. Yeah.
Wow.
Being a student is really hard sometimes.
Yeah, let's follow Cora and Elise to see what a day in the life of a student looks like.
Now to Day in the Life.
This is a day in the life of a 6th grade Paragon student. First, we have PE. Next, we have art. Next is break. Next is math.
Okay, class, who can solve this? Elise.
So for solving for B, we want to get rid of this. And because of sad Meg,
This is subtraction, so we have to subtract first, which means this is minus that. And then that's just 0. And then we also have to do it to the other side. So then we do minus a squared, which means b squared equals c squared minus a squared.
Next is English.
Do you like autumn, teenage romance?
Now it's time for lunch. Now we have science.
And that is the rock cycle. Any questions?
Now for world cultures. Lastly, we have study hall.
I'm gonna work on my math homework. Okay, I need to work on my English poem.
Finally, dismissal.
Oh, there's my class. Bye, Elise. Okay, bye, Cora. And that's the day in the life of a Paragon 6th grader. Very educational.
Being a Paragon student sure looks exciting.
It reminds me of all the fun traditions Paragon has.
Like the candy drive.
Now to Paragon Gives Back.
Hey Knights, my name's Maddox.
What's your name? Jack.
What grade are you in?
7.
What college are you in?
UNC.
Nice. And what is the food can and coat drive?
So like basically, you donate food, cans, and coats. And people drive them to people who need food cans and coats. Also, people in the military who
Need
need those items.
Yeah.
You could get college points for donating candy to the candy drive. This candy goes to people in need or people who may not be able to have a fun night of trick-or-treating. And it's a really good way to get rid of all your Halloween candy. And you can definitely not take candy out of the bags, even if it's your own college. Texas, Tarleton, Rutgers, North Carolina, Oregon, Juilliard, Houston, Harvard, George Washington, and Florida. And for the Northern Division, Bemidji, Hawaii, LSU, Northwestern, Notre Dame, Penn State, and Penn State again.
Hi, Miss Hay.
Hi.
How do you earn college points?
There's so many ways to earn college points. So the first way is the can and coat drive is happening right now. So you can bring in your cans, your coats, your rice, your potato chips, whatever it is, and you can earn points that way. But you can also come to games. So we have basketball coming up, right? So you can go to basketball games and get some points. Dress up days are coming up too. So we've got Elvis Day in January. So be sure to start prepping your outfit for Elvis Day. We also have Star Wars Day in May.
Very
We've
fun.
got Italian Day. We've got all kinds of things coming up. Lots of ways to earn college points.
Yes. Well, thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, this month we'll have so much to talk about, including Athlete of the Month.
I wonder who the athletes of the month are.
Let's go find out who it is.
I'm here with Anton, Athlete of the Month for JV football and cross country. Anton, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
I heard that you had the most number of flagpoles for Paragon and you got third place overall for cross country. What was going through your head during that time?
Well, I just knew I had to get both hands and pull the flag and not dive for it. And then in cross country, I had to like pace myself with someone to make sure that the person in front of me never got too far away.
Name? Where? Why do you like volleyball so much?
Some of my friends do it.
Wow, there's so many athletes with different talents.
Yeah, but now we're on football.
I was waiting all year for that festival.
Well, we're about to find out. Cece and Leland.
I love Fall Fest.
Me too.
We have so much more still to cover.
Right, then let's get to it.
Next up, we have homework and organizing tips with CC and Ashima.
Okay, so for homework tips, you always want to show your work like this. See that? Subtraction, long division, subtraction, and all that.
Jazz.
So always show your work. Write it in your notebook, and so that you don't forget it and you don't mess it up and not do it. And never do it at the last minute. Always get it done, like, depending on when it's due.
Okay, now we have the organizing tips. As you can see, this is a very organized binder from Ada, and I'm going to show you how to organize your binder. So you want to make sure that you have all your tabs in order of the classes you have. So she has English, and then math, and then social studies, science, and then languages, or whatever electives you have.
That's all for today, Knights.
Make sure to work hard.
Remember to work hard.
Play hard, and be kind. Bye. That's about right.
Like the candy drive. Now.
Thanks for your time.
Oh. Give me my freaking chocolate.
That's all for
Sissy, you're old.
You took my eraser. Sorry.
But give me it.
You took.
Oh. Yeah, it was amazing.
I'm also really excited for the winter sports season.
Maddox.
2, 1, action.
Hey Knights, welcome to.
I'm here with Anton, Athlete of the Month for JV football. Anton, what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a chicken.
P
Why are
N.
you laughing?
Oh my God, Claire, we need to walk away.
You're doing great.
Good job, Maddox.
All right.
Camera, action.
You already started filming, it doesn't work.
Can you shut up?
Hey, I'm here with 2 7th graders. What's y'all's names? Jack.
Oliver.
And how has Italy been treating you guys? Good.
Well, we're quite obviously not in Italy, but the Italy unit, you meant to say, it's been nice. It's nice to learn about the other cultures within our same world, and we don't really get to branch out like that.
Nice. And how was cooking the risotto today? I like cheese.
The risotto itself was not cooked, but I think you meant to say that that the ingredients were cooked and then it was put into the risotto. But now, now to clear that up, it was nice. It was again, branching out, fun to experience other cultures, man.
Cool.
After and be kind, we say bye, hand slap.
How do I hand slap?
Just grab my hand.
Not a hand slap.
It's just.
No, but we also. Oh yeah, I'm happy.
You're happy.
Well, that's it for today, Knights. Remember to work hard,
Play hard,
and be kind. But you're supposed to say bye. I know it doesn't. Well, that's it for today, Knights. Remember to work hard,
Play hard,
and be. Oh my God. That's it for today, Knights. Remember to work hard,
play hard.
and be kind. Bye, bro. I love giving back.
It gives me a great feeling.
Well, that's it for today, Knights. Remember to work hard,
Play hard,
and
be kind.
Bye.
Oh my God.
I love giving back.
It gives me a great feeling.
Well, that's it for today, Nights. Remember to work hard,
Play hard, and be kind. Bye.
Oh my god.
Knees! My knees! I can barely walk, bro. Ah! Knees! My knees! I can barely walk, bro. Ah!